Our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar and the Congress government, always they were into political aspect. And they are trying to just politicize and going against the sentiment of the people, going against the feelings of the people. Ramnagara is a well accepted name. Over the time, it has been a very well accepted name. It was named as Ramnagara. Now, for their own political benefits or real estate benefit or their own political agenda, are trying to have their own landmark, trying to rename Ramnagara as Bengaluru South. If you change the name, will the situation will change? It will not. The situation, if you look at in Ramnagara, how the infrastructure has been built, what has been done with regard to the GR, with regard to the education, how it has been completely neglected. The state of affair with regard to the health system, let it be in his own constituency. Even Kanakpura is the most backward constituency. How many times he's been representing? This is the 7th term. Still it is a backward. Is he not accountable? That way, Ramnagar has been the district minister for many decades, done nothing. So now, people want, we as a party also, we want Ramnagara name to stay.